Hi, my name is Janaran Thakur. I am of 22 years old, and the reason why I mention my name is that I have been trying to be a good English speaker, but I didn't work on my story or learning some new things. I had been trying to speak in English since 2014, but I afraid of being criticized. And what if I say wrong? What if I stalk while speaking? These types of questions prevented me from being a good English speaker. Right now, I am trying to develop myself. I'm trying to develop my English fluency and speaking skill. So let me tell you my educational background. I am from a government school and we were taught in our Odia language. I used to fail in the English subject, but I had a great desire to be uh, to be better in my English, in academic as well as in speaking, you know. And so I started from the basics of the English, that is, learning new sentences, how to sentence each sentence, and learning grammars, basic grammars, and some basic vocabs, so that I can be able to communicate in English. Okay, now you may be thinking that how I am speaking. I used to fail in the subject, but right now I can speak in English. Is there any process? Of course there is process. But according to me, there is no other process than your curiosity. If you are curious to speak, then you will definitely do that. So, if you are really interested or if you are passionate about speaking in English, then you have to learn some basics, as I did. You may join some um, institution of spoken English, but if you are like me, you want to develop yourself through self inspired or self education or for free, then you have to be acquired of the basics of the English, and I did that. Okay, so if you are really interested, then don't just learn complex things, because the complex things makes you more critical. You become stuck and you don't understand them, so you don't need to learn at your beginning stage. So first of all, you have to speak, whether it's good or bad. You have to speak in front of the people, or you have to speak in front of the mirror. This is one of the method that I use, that I speak in front of the mirror in order to develop my communication skill or my spoken English skill. So when you try to speak in front of the mirror, you will feel less confident. You may stalk while speaking, but these are the obstacles that will make you strong. So keep on learning and keep on going. And how will you speak? Of course, you have to speak in front of the mirror, but how will you speak? You have to choose a topic. That may be your parents, that may be corona, or that may be something. But you have to choose and speak like you are narrating an essay. give introduction, and then description, advantages, disadvantages, and at the last, you all know, conclusion. So in this way, try to speak that. First of all, you have to give the introduction, that's all, then description, then advantages, then what are the benefits, advantages, and disadvantages, what is the drawbacks of that topic, and at the last, give your conclusion. And in this way, do this until you feel you are fluent in speaking. So I would like to say you that don't just watch such kinds of videos, just implement them also. While watching, learn something new, and do implement those rules or those strategies, so that you will be on your path. And if you just keep on watching the videos and not implement, then you will not be able to do anything. That's the success. That's not success. Dr. Vivek Bindra, you may have heard this man. He's a motivational speaker and business coach, and the founder of badabusiness.com. He's also an Indian. He had told that the way of getting fast success is that the speed of implementation, how speedily you implement the tactics or the strategy you learned. And the successful people, they never hesitate to implement their ideas that may go wrong or may suitable for them, but they always implement. And that's the reason behind the successful people and the broke. Successful means I'm not saying in the form of monetary basis. I'm trying to say you in the form of mindset. How do you understand your mind? And that's the reason. And while speaking, you will feel bored. You will stalk, but you have to stick with your progress until you feel that you are fluent. That's all. And for your kind information, I am trying to make videos of learning English through making content. So if you liked my video, then do let me know by clicking that like button. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and see you soon. Thanks for watching.